It all started with a tweet. In the first ever arrest in the Greta Toolkit case, Disha Ravi, a 21-year-old woman from Bangalore, has been arrested by Delhi police. A case of sedition and criminal conspiracy has already been registered against Swedish climate activist Greta Thunberg for a toolkit tweeted by her on farmers' protest. According to the police, Disha Ravi, who is also a climate activist, was taken into custody in Bangalore on Saturday afternoon and was formally arrested in Delhi on Sunday. Disha was then produced in a Delhi court which remanded her in police custody for 5 days. So who is Disha Ravi and what is the Greta Toolkit case? According to the Delhi police, Indian climate activist Disha A. Ravi is one of the founding members of the Indian chapter of Fridays for Future, the climate campaign Thunberg launched by staging a protest at her school every Friday. Fridays for Future is an international movement for climate change that gained widespread popularity after Thunberg protested outside the Swedish parliament in 2018. Fridays for Future is also one of the handles that climate activist Greta Thunberg tagged in the controversial tweet. According to the police, Ravi allegedly started a WhatsApp group and worked closely to draft the toolkit. She also allegedly collaborated with pro-Khalistani group Poetic Justice Foundation to spread disaffection against the Indian state. So what is the Greta Toolkit case? On 3rd February, Greta posted a toolkit that sought support for the Farmers' Republic Day protests. She deleted the tweet soon after. On Thursday morning, she said she was sharing an updated toolkit which included 7 ways to back the agitation. She also suggested organizing protests near the closest Indian embassy on 13th and 14th February. How did Disha Ravi land in such controversy? According to Delhi police, Disha Ravi is an editor of the Toolkit Google document and key conspirator in documents formulation and dissemination. She started a WhatsApp group and collaborated to make the Toolkit document. She worked to draft the document. In this process, they all collaborated with pro-Khalistani Poetic Justice Foundation to spread disaffection against India. She was the one who allegedly shared the Toolkit document with Greta Thunberg.
In Bangalore, the team examined Disha and was able to extract highly incriminating information from her phone. This information made it clear that Disha, along with her colleagues Shantanu and Nikita, created and sent a toolkit document to others. The initial examination of Nikita revealed that she and her associate Shantanu and Disha had created the toolkit Google document. The email account created by Shantanu is the owner of this document and all others are its editor. A woman named Puneet, who is based in Canada, connected these people to the pro-Khalistani Poetic Justice Foundation and through them created the toolkit Google document titled Global Farmer Strike and Global Day of Action 26th January.
Bureau Report, OTV News.